plus b plus c is equals to 0, then what I'll write? I'll write a plus b is equal to minus c. This is our equation 1. I'll write equation 1. Okay. Now what I'll write? Cubing on both sides. Both sides apply the cube. Now I'll write a plus b whole cube minus c whole cube. So it is a negative with the power 3. So answer minus c whole power 3. A plus b whole cube formula. We have a formula already we know. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But from the equation 1 we know a plus b value minus c. So in the next step I will write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab minus c is equal to minus c cube. Then a cube plus b cube plus plus into minus 3abc is equal to minus c cube. It is a negative sign RHS side. When it comes LHS positive, it is a negative at LHS. When it goes RHS side, it will become positive. So we'll write a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now we find a formula. We found a formula. When this formula will work out? When you add a value, b value, c value, the sum of the three will become, then the cube's answer is just the multiplication of product of those three terms with 3. Okay, we'll see some example now. Yeah, find 2 cube plus 8 cube plus minus 10 cube. Just imagine it is a, it is b, it is c. Now what happened? A plus b plus c is equal to answer 2 plus 8 plus minus 10. 2 plus 8 10 minus 10 overall answer is 0. Now condition is if a plus b plus c value is equal to 0, then a cube, b cube, c cube is equal to just 3abc. Answer. So therefore I write 2 cube plus 8 cube plus minus 10 cube is equals to 3 into a value 2, b value 8, c value minus 10. Better go with round period numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 48 into 10 4 80 minus 480. It's the answer. Okay, same. We'll see one more example. Three cube plus minus 7 cube plus 4 cube. It's a, it's b, it's a c. A plus b plus c. Then 3 plus of minus 7 plus 4. 3 plus 4 7 minus 7. Answer 0. So this formula will work out when the sum of three numbers is equals to 0. When the three numbers will become 0, their sum will become 0, then only it will work out. In other situation it won't. Okay. Therefore 3 whole cube plus of minus 7 whole cube plus 4 whole cube is equal to 3 into a value 3 again, b value minus 7, c value 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 36 into 7 no, 42 4 carry, 21 25. So minus 2 5 2. It's the answer. Correct? 21 12. 21 12 also we'll check better. We'll check in both methods no. 2 4 yeah again yeah 252. That's it. Minus 252 is the answer. Okay. And this method we can solve the many problems. Now we'll see the identities. That is a plus b plus c whole square identity. Okay. Now plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So this is the formula. So how do you use? Okay, we'll see once. 2x plus 3y plus 4z whole square. Okay. So here if you compare the problem with the formula, first term A, second term B, third term 4z. Okay. So A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3y and C is equals to 4z. Correct? No? Now try to substitute in the formula. Okay. Now write the formula better. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC 2CA A square. So we'll write 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2AB. 2AB. This is A and B. I am writing 2 common. It's a constant. So 2 into A value 2x, B value 3y. So we'll write 2x into 3y plus 2BC. This is B and C. And 2 is a constant. 3y and 4z. 2CA. 2CA. C and A. Correct? So 2 into 4z into 2x. Then so 2x whole square is nothing but 2 into 2 4x square plus 3 3s are 9 y square plus 4 4s are 16 z square plus 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 xy plus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24 y z plus 2 4s are 8 8 2s are 16 z into x. We can write zx also, but as for alphabet order x comes first. No, so write x z. So this is a way of solving. Remember 2x whole square, the square for both. So that is the mean 2 into x 2 into x. 2 2s are 4 and x into x x square. Got it all? Okay. Now we'll see the same problem with the negative signs. Yeah. A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. 2CA. Correct? Next. 2A minus 3B plus 4C whole square. So this one what I'll write, in the next step I'll write, we have all places only, am I right? So I'll write plus whole square. Look at 2a as it is, I'll write 2a, after place I'll write a minus of minus 3b. That means I have written minus as a plus into minus again minus only, minus 3b plus 4c whole square as it is. Okay. Now what happened? A value is 2a, but b value has a midterm negative, so I have taken with minus 3b, and the c value is nothing but 4c. Correct? What happens then? We'll write 2a whole square, okay, plus minus 3b whole square, okay, plus 4c whole square, okay, plus next 2ab, no? Yeah, this 2. 2 into 2a into minus 3b, okay, plus 2bc, 2 into minus 3b, 4c. Next, next 2 into 4c into 2a, correct? Then what will write? 2a whole square in the sense 2 into 2, 4a, I'm sorry 4, and a into a will write a square. Look at negative with a square, so it will become positive. Three 3s are 9b square, 9b square. Next, plus 4 4s are 16c square. Plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 AB, 12AB. Next plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 AC. Oh sorry, BC. Next last one plus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, C into AC. What did you understand here? Look at here we have a negative, here also we have a negative. Look at AB, BC. The common element in the both is B. So the negative term belongs to, the negative sign belongs to B only. Correct? Because only two terms has a negative. If you compare the both two terms, B is the common letter. So that the negative has come from B only. Okay? This is a way. Yeah. Now verification of identities. Verification of identities. Yeah. What formula will take? I'll take one of the formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. How to verify the identities? Do you know? Take any integer, non-zero integer in the place of a and b, then you can show. What is LHS value here? LHS side value is a cube plus b cube. What about RHS? RHS is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So now what I'll do? I'll take a value 2, b value 1. Okay. So what happens LHS side? Look at 2 whole power 3, 1 whole power 3. 2 whole power 3 into means 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 into 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, answer 9. LHS part we got it answer as a 9. Come here. A value 2. 2 plus 1. Okay. 2 square answer 4. What answer? 2 into 1 answer minus 2 plus 1 no 1 square answer 1. Here answer 3. Look at 4 plus 1 5 minus 3. Next 3 into 5 minus 2 answer 3. Answer 9. So therefore here LHS is equals to RHS. So we'll write the identity is verified. If any case, if anyone asking you to identify the, verify the identities, that is the mean you take the values of A and B except the 0, then you can show the LHS value. The value of the LHS is equals to value of the RHS. Okay, right. Now solve this one. Verify these identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square. Better, you can check this one. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, check it better. I'll give values also. A value 3, b value 2. Second one, a cube minus b cube. That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So value a value 2, b value 1. Okay.